KEYSTAR Synth is a development environment where a developer can test synthesized instruments using a full-sized MIDI keyboard. Key features include the ability to switch instruments on the fly and a metronome. Initially, the game asks the player to activate each MIDI device for both recording and playback features of the game. This is done to avoid setting the wrong device, as each machine may have different devices connected in different orders. Instruments have been created using Unreal Engine's meta sounds and can easily be added to or adjusted. KEYSTAR Developer is a development environment where a developer can record and play back MIDI data, as well as set instruments for each of the 5 tracks. Key features include direct connection of a DAW to Unreal Engine using Loop B1 driver, 5-track simultaneous recording from a DAW, 3 different databases for use in different game environments, instrument changes on the fly, and a timeline preview of the MIDI data. Recording tracks requires a virtual MIDI driver to be installed. I have used Loop B1 for this prototype. This driver allows a program on a computer to directly send MIDI data to Unreal Engine. Blueprints have been used to interpret and save MIDI data to arrays, which are recorded in their raw data format and are baked to a more appropriate data structure for use in gameplay. Cubase is set up to send MIDI data across 6 channels. 1 channel to automatically start and stop recordings, 3 channels used for backing tracks, 1 channel for the left-hand notes, and 1 channel for the right-hand notes. Recording MIDI data is as simple as arming the track by hitting the record button, and then pressing play on the DAW device. The game will automatically start the recording at the start of the track and end the recording at the end of the track. MIDI data is mapped to render targets on the timeline, giving accurate visual feedback. For the gameplay aspect, as it uses a 49-key keyboard, any notes outside of the 49-key range are highlighted in flashing red to give the developer explicit feedback. Loading, saving, and clearing of MIDI data has been set up, with a confirm button to avoid accidental loss of data. The developer may click on the timeline bar to change the play position of the track, and instruments may be hot swapped at any time.